Yeah. Turn it on.
It's on.
Oh, and then you edit it?
What?
Like you edit the beginning? Before we start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we too tall for this?
No.
No? You have to say it.
Hi!
No, you have to say what's up, my dude.
Oh! What's up, my dudes?
Okay, so what are we doing today?
Well, first of all, introduce me.
That's my mom. Yamila.
Yamila C.
Which is
Hi,
my middle name, if you guys obviously know my channel name. Her name is my middle name.
Yep, Yamila.
Fun fact.
Lebanese background.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Well,
So strange.
I'm going to do my makeup with your makeup, and you're going to do your beautiful face with my makeup bag. Ready to switch?
It's pretty big actually.
Yeah, it is. I don't know why, but
And this is mine.
all right.
It's actually
cute.
really messy too, so don't feel
I
bad.
love it.
Okay,
So excited.
what's the first thing you do? This?
Yeah, I put on face cream, which I already did.
Estee Lauder Day Wear Multi Protection, and it has SPF 15. Wow.
So what do? We just jump right into it?
Yeah, this is the first thing I use.
Okay.
Murad Oil Control Primer. And I'm gonna use this palette because she doesn't have a mirror.
I
in
don't?
her bag. I don't think so.
No, I use the car mirror. Sorry, I did my
Does that have
makeup
a
in the
mirror?
car. But presto, I have a mirror.
Oh,
there you go.
okay.
So I just take some of this. I'm no expert, by the way. I just do this.
Yes.
Oh, this feels very nice, this cream. I like it.
It's an oil control sunscreen.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But wait a minute. Would I use
Why are you looking
this
at that?
instead? Oh, would I use this instead of this?
Yeah.
Oh, so now I have double cream.
Yeah, I mean, this one is a lot more moisturizing, so...
I think I have too much cream on, seriously.
How much did you put? Oh, because she already has this one on, that's why.
Yeah, and I'm really hot.
Oh, wow, this palette's cute.
Do you like it?
The Cover FX palette. It has a highlighter, it has a finishing powder, a contour, and a blush. Do you use this?
This little thingy on sometimes.
The highlighter, okay.
A little bit on the tip of my nose. I use this as a
Okay.
bronzer
Okay.
and on my eyelids.
Wow.
As well, yeah.
Okay.
This dark color here.
Okay.
My sister gave it to me, by the way. She has that
BoxyCharm.
BoxyCharm.
Yes.
So sometimes.
But I recently got you butter bronzer.
Yep. That's what I've been wearing lately.
Yeah.
But the first day I used that butter bronzer, I have to say.
You didn't like it?
No, I liked it, but it looked like I just got off the plane, like from the Caribbean somewhere. Like that I was there for like 3 weeks.
You put too much?
I looked really tanned, yeah. So then I went to the bathroom.
Did you smell it?
Yeah, it smells really nice.
Oh my god, I love the smell of it. And I recently got her a Kylie lip kit in
Love it.
Candy K.
Oh my god, it's really, really nice.
So I've actually never used that color, so I'm
It's
excited.
really nice.
We actually
wear the same one.
Yeah, we actually wear the same one.
She got it for me. She used to work at Macy's, so.
Tawny, no. I wear a darker one.
Well, I'm gonna be tanned again.
Okay.
My body's actually tanned, but my face is just really red from rosacea.
I might have a primer in there too.
That's okay. Is this what you apply your makeup with?
Yeah, you have to wet that if you want to use that.
Okay, well, I'm gonna take a sip of my water,
Oh no.
and then I'll use it for the makeup.
And I'm just gonna use the foundation blender that I got her from Real Techniques because I thought it would be easy for her to
By the way,
use.
I love it. For those of you who are not experts like me, really, really good for smoothing out your foundation. Highly recommend it.
Oh wow.
Yes, that's what it looks like. So, is this wetty now? I don't use a sponge. I don't use a sponge.
You have to dunk it in there.
More? I forgot I had the foundation on my hands. Oh my god. Excuse me for a little while.
So you have to pound it on your
Like this?
Yeah.
Can't wait to see this video.
This foundation's too light for me.
Good? Do I look tanned already?
You look good. I think it matches.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe we should do a little switcherooning.
No, I look crazy. Look at my face compared to my body. In there.
Oh my god, you look like a ghost.
Yeah, that's not good.
You're gonna have to wear a lot of that that
The bronzer.
the bronzer you gave me. That's like the third time you did it.
I know, I'm sorry. It's just it has like these little legs sticking out.
Amanda, I think actually the lighting is what makes us look so white. Because
no, that's what you really look like.
White? Oh no.
Yeah.
Sometimes I put a little too much foundation on my hand. Do you stick it back in the bottle?
Yeah.
Things I learned with Amanda Yanila.
It's probably not sanitary. A really big question for you. Where's your powder?
It's in there. Is it?
No, ma'am.
What?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I took it out. You see, your mom always finds everything for you.
Always.
Always.
Doesn't fail.
My mom has the Tarte Shape Tape in medium sand, and I'm gonna be
I don't really use it much.
using that.
I'll be honest with you. Sometimes I feel like my eyes look brighter, but there are more times, many more times, that I feel that it accentuates my under eye wrinkles.
Ooh.
I don't like that. So, I think I would prefer having dark circles and wrinkles, so that's why I don't really use it. Okay, so I know that you use this loose powder, very pretty loose powder, which I don't see here.
What?
You have like this.
Oh yeah, but it's not in there. You have to use the loose powder that's in there.
Oh, this is
Jeffree Star.
yeah. Oh my god, I don't know, but this smells like cotton candy or something.
Yeah, that's why he said
love
that it's
it.
supposed to smell like cotton candy.
Really? Oh my god, I just guessed. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Good job, Jeffree. Wasn't sure how to let the powder come out, so.
So when you okay, look.
I got some on my eyeball.
Look. You could
Don't
look.
mind me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You put it here.
Oh.
That's what the cap is for. Besides clothing.
You know, I have a girl in my class that always says, "Excuse me, ma'am." Yes, yeah, ma'am. And
To you?
yeah, I don't really like it much.
I
Okay,
understand.
so
I
now.
get you, bro.
Oh wow, I messed up because I know that you always do shadow before everything, but
No, it's okay. Look, I'm doing
I'm
that
not a
too.
real shadow person because I don't think I'm very good at it. Oh, look at this. We got some pink shimmer going on here.
Color Pop.
Color Pop.
Is that my favorite brand, you think?
Well, I have to say they have very affordable prices
Yeah.
and their products are pretty nice. I like them.
Yeah, I just feel comfortable like telling everyone about it because
Yeah, I like them a lot.
I enjoy their products.
Wow. Color Pop also.
Yes.
Mad.
I love this palette. You should use this one.
I thought these colors were so
Let's show them. I really want you to use the middle shade.
the blue.
Yeah, or this one too, the matte.
I'm gonna
the
start
matte blue.
with, I think you have to start with like a light base.
I'm just gonna put bronzer in my eye.
Check it
in my
out.
crease.
I have blue. Blue eyes. Teal. Something like that.
Oh, you already broke the brush I got you.
Did I?
Let me see.
What?
No, it looks good.
You think so?
Yes.
You look really pretty.
Thanks. I think you should wear blue shadow every day.
It is.
Oh my god, you don't
Is
have
this like eyeliner or something?
that's for your eyebrows. You don't have oh my god.
What?
You don't have liquid eyeliner.
You have to use what I use.
That's okay guys, we're still gonna do a wing because
You're gonna do it with that pencil, which I've been dying for you to try.
which color?
Although I know you're.
Don't you have more than one?
I think I have Teddy.
Oh, brown?
Yep. It's really pretty. My favorite liner. Is this?
How do you
no,
put it on
this,
then?
This is not. This is a liquid liner, I'm guessing.
Yes it is. Good job.
I'm looking for
You
the
have to
eyebrow
do
gel.
wings.
Is
That's
this the
the
eyebrow
gel.
gel?
Yes. She has to do wings today, you guys.
That's gonna be very interesting, by the way.
I'm gonna do wings with your Teddy. So I have to put eyeliner on the inside.
Yeah.
You guys know I never put eyeliner on the inside. Mom, you have to show them what you're doing a little bit.
Oh, I'm putting on liquid liner, which I never use. I don't even know how to use it. But I'm hoping this thing goes on well. I already lost it.
You don't,
where is it?
You don't watch my videos then, Mom.
No, I do. Okay, I lost the liquid liner. Got lost right before my eyes here. No, seriously, where is it? Can you help me? This is yours. No, this is mine.
What?
The liquid liner, where
did you drop it? did he?
Oh, it's over here. Sorry. I do not know how to do wings, and this thing is like practically dry. Wow. You could do wings with my liner?
As
so
long as
beautiful.
I think I'm gonna like, oh, I wish I had like a dark chocolatey brown thing, because then I could kind of smoke it.
What do you mean, shadow?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think I can do it with the bronzer though, so don't worry.
Oh god.
Every time I film a video, she goes crazy. And she's never even in the room. She's just doing that in the living room, and you can clearly hear it. Right? She never makes noises like that. I see that you've used this.
What? I tried it.
You tried it. Did you like it? Like not enough to do it every day?
Like, I really do those things like when I'm going out, like to a special place or occasion.
Oh, what's that?
Movies, dinner.
Movies. Oh my god. Mom, scream at them. Tell them.
Lucy. Lucy.
Those are your children.
Yeah. Get through it.
Yo, I'm still so...
Yo, I'd love to know what I look like, because I can't see.
I think I like your eyes. Can I see them? Because you haven't looked at me at all.
And I think I did one eyeball darker than the other.
Can I see you? Why are you hiding like that? It came out good.
Did it?
Yeah.
Got it from the expert. She said it came out good.
Do you like mine?
I love yours. I would like it like that more often, actually.
Ugh. Okay, so I wanted to show you a more close-up look of our looks with our switched makeup bags. So show them your eyes and stuff. Close your eyes. You don't have to get so close. Oh yeah, you're right. The lip gloss is really pink.
It is. I don't like it.
This is my mom's foundation, which is super light on me. My eyebrows look really good. I think I'm gonna steal that from her because she doesn't like it, right?
No, I said I use it on special occasions.
I just feel like mine looks a little bit scary.
I don't really like my eyes, but
I don't like wearing the eyeliner there because it's like irritating me.
we could try something else next time. Maybe she could do my makeup. Then I'll look better than this, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm scared.
But with my own makeup.
With your own makeup?
Mm-hmm.
No, I think I should do rainbow eyes. I should do rainbow eyes on me.
Yeah. Okay. Why are you making that face?
Because, okay, she acts so different on camera than how she is in
I'm
real life.
awkward, I know.
You're like
I'm not
so,
used to it.
she's so loud and crazy like when
I'm trying to keep my voice down because she says I'm a little loud.
No, it's okay because it's for a video. You have to act crazy.
Okay.
You look so tan.
I'm tanned.
It's, okay, you have to go like this with me. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so it's, I'll see you guys.
all very, very, very soon. Right?
Yes.
Got it.
Wow, you didn't move much.
Meanwhile, I watch her videos like 2 or 3 times. Like, I'm a little obsessive. So, yeah. She's my only daughter.
You look straight up Oompa Loompa right now. I love you too.
Oh my god, look at my red shade. Not like my shade.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Love you.
Copy me.
I can't do that. You can't do that. Not to mention that I feel like my lashes will get stuck together.
What do you mean? You're just winking and kissing. Wink first.
No, I look like I had a stroke. Seriously? Look at that. Oh my God. Amanda, delete that.